Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Mexican burrito. First, let's talk about the essentials. You'll want to gather all your fresh ingredients, like your chosen protein, rice, and beans. A key component is a large, soft flour tortilla, ideally around 10 inches in diameter, to hold all those tasty fillings. Make sure your protein, whether it's seasoned ground beef or shredded chicken, is cooked and ready to go. Now, let's get to assembling. Start by warming your tortilla slightly in a dry skillet or microwave. This makes it more pliable and less likely to crack. Lay it flat and begin adding your fillings. A good base includes rice, beans, and your prepared protein. Remember not to overfill and leave a clear border of about 1/4 of the tortilla's edge to allow for proper folding. The rolling technique is crucial for a well-contained burrito. First, fold in the left and right sides of the tortilla over your delicious filling. Next, bring the bottom edge of the tortilla up and tightly tuck it over the ingredients, pressing down gently to compact everything. Continue to roll the burrito forward, maintaining a firm and even pressure until it's completely sealed and holds its shape. Your homemade Mexican burrito is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately while it's warm and fresh. You can enhance the experience by pairing it with your favorite salsa, a dollop of sour cream, or some creamy guacamole. Remember to check the description below for a link to an insightful book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy every delicious bite of your perfectly crafted burrito.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.